Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to earn rewards with Klarna. So if you've been wondering how to earn rewards with Klarna, this video is for you. I'm going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to do that. So let's not waste any time at all, let's just jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Klarna account. Remember, you can log into your Klarna account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website with your computer. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the rewards tab, and then once you're there, you're going to browse the available rewards offers, and then you can just make purchases or complete tasks, and that's going to earn you the rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to earn rewards on Klarna. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.